back with another video. So today is the first day of Pennsylvania's squirrel season. Believe it or not, they actually started it a whole month earlier this year. It's the first time it's ever been in September. So the woods are still pretty green. Not really sure what kind of luck we're going to have. I got the CZ 452 Scout. It's a 22 rifle. It's basically made for youth. It's a very short little gun. Got it topped with a 4 to 12 power scope and a Sony Handicam. I got it mounted on top of the scope. So we're gonna see if we could get us a couple squirrels tonight. Got my 2 pennies here. That's my squirrel call. Still got that deer walking around. What you do is you get an older penny with the Lincoln Memorial on the back. Just rub the edge of the second penny on that. Simulates a squirrel chewing on a nut. Still, it just relaxes the squirrels, makes them come out. Got this deer looking at me. Let's get it on video. That deer is less than 20 yards from me. Looks at me, but doesn't care. If I hear it in the background walking. Alright, we got one in this tree. I don't know if you could hear it chewing on a nut. We'll go get it. And we got it. Nice fox squirrel. So we'll sit here, see if we can get another one. Alright, so all we got is the one squirrel. I was in the woods probably for a good hour and a half, 2 hours. It's the only one I've seen, so I think I'm going to call it quits. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.